how to claim Robux in Please Donate mobile. So here's what you want to do. You don't want to use the app, but instead we will use our browser on our phone. So just go to roblox.com in our browser and then click on continue in browser. So what this is going to do, it's going to make you log into your account. So just sign into your account here. And once you have been signed in, again, we want to click on continue in browser. So now this is going to give you the browser version of Roblox, and that's what we wanted. So click on the Robux icon next to the settings, and you will go into My Transactions. Well, once you have gone into My Transactions, you will see a button here for pending Robux. It's basically going to tell us that it's going to take a few days for us to receive the Robux, which we got donated on Please Donate. So if you want to claim your Robux, essentially you don't have to do anything but wait a few days, 3 to 5 days before you can receive your Robux in your account. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.